This video I'm going to download and install the free coding software Visual Studio 2026 community version on Windows 11. So the first thing I will do is go up to open up Chrome and then type Visual Studio download in the Omni box and press enter to perform a search for it. And then after the results are returned, I want to click on the first option from visualstudio.microsoft.com. So after the page loads, I want to go down and click on the free download option, which is the community version to the left, and the setup file will download fairly quick since it is so small. Then I will go up and click on the little folder icon next to the file name that will open up my downloads in File Explorer, which I can also access by clicking on the download icon and then going down to click on Full Download History. But since I already have my downloads open, I will click on the little X icon to delete the entry and then go up to Close Chrome since I'm done using it. Then I will double click on the Visual Studio setup file to begin the installation. And after clicking yes to allow the installer to make changes to my computer, I will wait until I can click on the Continue button to begin setup. Then it will get the installation ready by downloading all the files it needs, so I will go up and close File Explorer since I don't need it anymore and continue to wait for the feature options. And after they pop up, I will go up and select ASP.NET and Web Development and then go over to unselect the GitHub options since I don't use them. Then I'll click the Remove button to unselect the associated GitHub options and scroll down to see if there are any other features that I might want. But I don't see any, so I will go down to select the Download All Then Install option from the drop-down and click the Install button to begin. Then the installer will download all the files needed for the installation, which the time it takes will depend on the internet connection, but since I have a decent service, it takes me around 4 minutes to complete. And after the files are downloaded, the installation takes me another 6 minutes for a total time of around 10 minutes to install Visual Studio on my Windows 11 computer. Then shortly after the installation completes, I'll get a notification about optimization, but I don't want notified anymore, so I'll go down and click on the 3 dots next to the close icon, and then click on turn off all notifications for Visual Studio. Now the last thing I want to do is create a shortcut on my desktop, so I'll go up and close the installer, then go down to click on the Windows Start icon. Then from here I will go up and click on the All button at the top right, and scroll down until I see Visual Studio under the V category, which I will then right-click on to hover over More and then over to click on Open File Location. Next, I will look for the shortcut in File Explorer to go right-click on, then left-click on Show More Options, and up to hover over Send To, and over to click on Desktop Create Shortcut. Now I'll go up and close File Explorer and then go over and customize my desktop with the new icon I created to start Visual Studio. Then all I need to do is double-click on it to start the free coding software, which it will run me through a little setup asking me to sign in. But I don't want to use an account, so I'll just click on Skip and add accounts later. Next, it will ask me to personalize Visual Studio, so I'll look over the default settings and decide I want to leave them as they are and click on the Start Visual Studio button. Then it will give me a start window with some options, so I'll go down and click on the Continue Without Code button that will launch Visual Studio to start a project from scratch. And after it loads, I will go up and close the What's New window, and I'm ready to start working on my project. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.